Okay, so for my division, I will be doing 134 divided by 2. And so to begin my estimation, I'm going to start by doing essentially front end by using the first place value, the first two place values. So 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. And 30 which is that second place value in the tens place, divided by 2 equals 15. And since it's an estimation, I'm not going to do the third place value. Instead, I'm just going to add these two up. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6, giving me an estimation of 65. Now to do the actual modeling with the base 10 blocks, I'm going to start with my 100 flat, my 3 10 rods, and my 4 1 blocks to model my 134. And then I will, to divide by 2, I need to divide them into, I need to create 2 equal groups, which I will not be able to do with my 100 flat. So I will go ahead and exchange my 100 flat for 10 tens rods. And then I can go ahead and start making 2 equal groups. So and as we see, I have my 2 equal groups. However, before I can move on to my ones, I still have one leftover 10 rod that won't fit into either of my groups. So just like I did with the 10 flat, I'm going to go ahead and exchange my 110 rod for 10 of my ones, and then add my 4 previous ones into that, and then I can start adding those ones into my equal groups. So I have 3. And now, as you can see, I have 2 equal groups of 6 10 rods and 7 ones. 6 10 rods and 7 ones, which brings me to a sum of 67. Now, to model what I just did with the base 10 blocks pictorially, since I still need my 2 equal groups, so I have 2 groups of 6 rods, and then I need to add my 7 ones to each. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there I have my 2 equal groups modeling 134 divided by 2. Now to show what this means with numbers, it would look like this if we make our array model more concrete. So here I have 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then I have 7 ones. I don't have enough room to write 7 ones, so I'm just gonna write 7. And then technically I have 1 and 1 here, but as a whole it is 2 because I'm dividing by 2. And so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I have 60, and then over here I have 7, and together that is 67, which is my sum. My chosen personal strategy to do 134 divided by 2 is very similar to what I did in the beginning with my front end estimation, but just breaking down the division and doing it repeatedly until I have nothing left to divide. It's almost like repeated subtraction, but not. So to start, I did have 100 divided by 2 because I'm breaking it down into the tens, or the hundreds, tens in ones place. So my ones is my 100 is 100, 100 divided by 2 is 50. Then I'm breaking it down into my tens place. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. And for my ones place, it is just 4. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And so if I add 50, 15, and 2 all together, 0, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6. So my answer is 67. No joke or pun was intended for this answer, just so we're all on the same page. But if we visit my original estimation, it was 65, which I think is pretty good based on just how close I was able to get with my estimation to the actual sum using similar strategies. And yeah, that is my division video for 134 divided by 2.